We just want to test some delicious kachori samosa.
Huh?
Yeah, the lady here is saying they're very delicious. I'm waiting for it. Okay, is it hot? Is it hot? Is it hot? Or warm? Oh, that's milk? It's cut? Okay. So this is samosa, regularly what you eat, samosas. This is kachori. It's been spiced up and they've added some onions on top, some toppings, and then you have some curd. And then, so we're just gonna test it. By the way, I'm here behind a shrine, a Muslim shrine over here. This is a shrine. I'm seeing people coming and paying their respect as they proceed for their journey. So I'm just gonna test this and see. Bismillah. It's actually nice. How much is this?
50 rupees.
50. Okay. So this one is just 50 rupees, and I'm just eating it. Where can I put it so I can eat well? This is very nice. I'm going to test this other one. This is samosa. I just had a bite and it's actually nice. So spicy, but it's usual. It's actually nice. I'm enjoying it. Very sweet. Come to Bangalore, and then we're going to eat this nice street food. This samosa has potatoes? Okay, nice. It's fully vegetarian. Everything here vegetarian. Delicious. I'm gonna try to finish up this. This one is called kachori. Kachori. I'm going to eat kachori. It's quite chewy, also hard. Yeah. Oh man, what is inside here? What is this inside here?
Kachori, dal kachori.
Kachori. Rice. Okay. This one they make some rice. I think I need to make a research before I eat something. I need to make a research before I put anything in my mouth. I just saw it and then because I'm waiting for an Uber, I just say let me bite something before that auto comes over for me. So in case you're wondering, I didn't cross the bridge, I just crossed over that thingy. The barricade that divides the road, I crossed over to the masjid and then I came back. I think you're seeing me.
दीदी तमिलनाडु बस इधर में आओ सामने